Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you a lesson number 19, my school. So today I am going to teach you EVS lesson number 19, my school. So let's see here. Yeah, I have written a few hard words. Then afterwards I will give you a more hard words. So see here, hard words. Sureka, Mihir, Aliyar, dress, decoration, competition, elocutions, projects, educations, opportunities. So you have to learn these hard words, students. There are many hard words I will give you afterwards. So learn this at least these hard words. Now we'll start with the lesson 19, my school. Sureka and Mir woke up early and than usual. They began to get dressed without their parents' help. They were in a hurry to go to school. Means what? Sureka and Mir woke up early. Means they want to go to school. Means त्यांना लवकर उठून शाळेत जायचं होतं म्हणून ते लवकर उठून आवरत होते. Then mother asked Sureka, "Why are you in such a hurry today?" मम्मीनं काय विचारलं त्यांना की तुम्हाला काय घाई आहे आज लवकर जायची. They were hurry to go to school. Sureka replied, "Today is the birthday of my school." म्हणजे तिनं काय सांगितलं, आज आमच्या शाळेचा वाढदिवस आहे. We will get sweets today. We will get sweet today. आम्हाला छान खाऊ मिळेल. We clean our classroom yesterday. We clean our classroom yesterday means we clean our classroom. You have your classroom, no? Standard 3rd, standard A and B. So we should keep our class clean means माझा वर्ग कसा स्वच्छ ठेवायचं ते आपण ठरवायचं असतो. Then today there is a class cleanliness and decoration competition. म्हणजे आपला वर्ग जर स्वच्छ आणि क्लीन वगैरे असलं की त्यात कॉम्पिटिशन असते की कोणाचा वर्गाला आयडल क्लास मिळेल, कोणाचा वर्ग किती स्वच्छ आहे हे बघतात की नाही. Then I like my school very much. मला शाळा खूप आवडते. Father said me, we didn't have anything like this in our time. म्हणजे काय, माझ्या वेळी जेव्हा शाळेला जात होतो हे असलं काय नव्हतं. Me replied, Daddy, just as we celebrate my birthday at home, in the school we celebrate our school birthday. म्हणजे माझा तुम्ही बर्थडे कसा सेलिब्रेट करतात घरी तसंच आम्ही शाळेत पण आम्ही जाऊन काय शाळेचा बर्थडे साजरा करणार. Then my school ranked first in sports and various others competition. My school get first in sports and various other competitions. We had education sports competition within the school too. Daddy, I love walking on the project, going on the trips and taking parts in together. I like to do the work on the project which are गोईंग ऑन द ट्रिप्स. म्हणजे तुम्ही काही जणांना पॅरेंट्स वगैरे फिरायला ट्रिपला जातात की नाही. अँड टेकिंग पार्ट इन गेट टुगेदर म्हणजे आपण जर कुठं बाहेर फिरायला गेलो अनोळखी माणसं असतात, जेव्हा आपली मैत्री होते आपण काय करतो गेट टुगेदर, आपण ओळख काढतो त्यांची, बोलतोय आपण, तेव्हा आपली मैत्री होते असं. Then can you tell when was your school established? When was your school established? How do you celebrate the foundation day of your school? How do you celebrate? You should tell me this answer, student. What do you like about your school? What do you like? तुम्हाला काय आवडते आपल्या शाळेबद्दल? Then do you know in the olden days in our country students used to go to their teacher's house to receive education. म्हणजे काय in the olden day म्हणजे काय जुन्या काळात काय करायचे, स्टुडंट शुड गो टू द टीचर्स हाऊस. म्हणजे काय मुलं काय करत होते अभ्यासासाठी टीचरच्या घरी जात होते बिकॉज ऑफ एज्युकेशन. देन दे लिव्ह देअर फॉर फ्यू इयर्स अँड कम्प्लीट द एज्युकेशन. म्हणजे काय करायचे त्यांना अभ्यास त्यांचं म्हणजे त्या तिथं त्यांचं शिक्षण होईपर्यंत ते काय करायचे तिथंच थांबायचे. Then in the later prayer a teacher and the students of the different ages came together. In the later prayer teachers and students of different ages म्हणजे teachers and students of different ages come together. The teacher would then teach the student and to student trace letters and numbers on the grounds. म्हणजे काय पूर्वीच्या काळी काय होतं असं बुक्स वगैरे काय त्यांना नव्हतं. ते काय करायचे whenever teacher teaches them what to remember what they do in the ground they have to write their numbers or write the letters. They have to do in the ground. म्हणजे ग्राउंडमध्ये काय करायचं, चॉक घेऊन असं ते ट्रेस करायचे नंबर्स. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल 8 नंबर दिले तिथे 8 असं काढायचं ग्राउंडवर, म्हणजे लक्षात राहण्यासाठी. इन दिस स्प्रेड ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज फॉर गर्ल्स एज्युकेशन वेअर व्हेरी रेअर. म्हणजे काय, पूर्वीच्या काळी मुलींना जास्त शिक्षणाला व्हॅल्यू नव्हतं. मुलींना शिक्षण द्यायचं म्हणजे त्यांना खूप म्हणजे प्रश्नचिन्ह होता, कारण मुलांना शिकवायचं आणि क्वचित मीन्स ओनली फ्यू गर्ल्स आर were going outside because some of the parents they have not allowed to girls to go outside. Then when the British introduced the present school system, Mahatma Phule and Kranti Jyoti Savitribai Phule began in Pune into educated girl. Because of Savitribai Phule, all girls are started to learn. They have get the educations. Earlier schools were held in very town and village. In villages, students gather under a large banyan tree or in a shady place. म्हणजे काय करायचं, इट वॉज अ लार्ज बनियन ट्री. मीन्स काय, ते तिथं टीचर काय करायचं की सगळ्या मुलांना गोळा करून एका सावळीत बसवून तिथं ते काय करायचं, शिक्षण द्यायचे. त्या टीचर तिथं अभ्यास घेत होते पोरांचं. Where one teacher taught students of different ages. They were taught reading, writing and simple arithmetic. Means they were learning writing, reading and simple arithmetics. Means they were solving the addition, subtraction, everything. When the British came to India, they introduced the modern school system. Our people realized that there can be no progress without education. There were no progress. People began to come forward to send their children to the school. म्हणजे काय, people came forward to send their children to the school. This is how the present day schools were formed. With the help of your teachers and parents, find out more about the following people. They have done great work in the field of the school and education. Students, these are some of the leaders and you have to write 2 or 3 lines about these leaders. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule, Savitribai Phule, Maharaja Sayajiram Gaikwad, Rajashri Shahu Maharaj, Pandita Ramabai, मोराशे दोंडो केशव कवरे, डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, करमवीर बाबूराव पाटील, डॉक्टर पंजाबराव देशमुख. Then, do you know, people were curious to see the annual results of Savitribai Phule. School for girls. When the girls who stood first was a given prize and she said, I don't want a prize. Miss what, in a Savitribai schools, they have one girl was there, she got a first prize in the school. But what she told, I don't want any prize, I want a library for the school. I want the library for the school because in a school there was no library. So what she told, you don't give me a prize, I want a library for my school. This girl used to study until late in the night at home. Jyotirao and Savitribai has arranged to give agriculture and technical education to the children in the school. Our national anthem was written by Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Our national anthem, we are saying a national anthem. It was written by the Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. He had started a school in Bolapur in Bengal, and the school was held in the midst of the green trees, colorful flowers, creeping sound, birds under the skies. The school was called Shantiniketan. The school was called Shantiniketan. Children loved the school very much. Our peaceful it was. No noise or chaos and no sounds of automobiles. Means there were no sounds. There was a very silent. Then, or no cattle, no horse carriages. A school in the shade of the tree. Students were taught to sing and dance. They were taught to sing and dance. They were taught art and crafts. They were taught art and crafts. म्हणजे काय त्यांना ड्रॉइंग करायला, क्राफ्ट करायला आवडायचं. Then children put up their own plays, song, dance and learn new subjects. Children from the other countries also came to study there. म्हणजे बाहेरचे प्रदेशाचे सुद्धा मुलं तिथं येऊन अभ्यास करायचं. Tagore was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 and he gave the prize money to his school. म्हणजे काय, त्याला नोबेल प्राइजचं बक्षीस मिळालं होतं. त्यांनी काय केलं, ते स्कूलला त्यांनी दान केलं. Mahatma Gandhi views about the educations are important. He laid the straight on the dignity of the labor and learning by doing. Maulana Azad was the first education minister of independent commissions and the secondary education commission. He also play an important part in the commission, in the establishment of the University Grants Commissions. He firmly believed that science and technology must be included in curriculum. The 11th of November, the date of his birth, observed at over the country as a National Education Day. Then, can you tell what games are played on a school playground? What games are played on a school playground? How is your school kept clean? Means how you keep your school kept clean? How do you help to keep your school clean? Then, which school activities do you take part in? Which school activities do you take part in? How do you go to school every day? We learn many things in the school. We recite poems, sing song, draw picture. We also get to play in school. We play kho-kho, kabaddi and also legend in school. We must go to school regularly. Going to the school on time teaches us punctuality. In school, we learn how to keep ourselves clean. We also learn the importance of keeping the public places clean. Personal and public hygienics helps to keep us healthy. Now look here, in the school we have library, assembly, computer lab, playground, school buses, counselor, first aid, cleanliness, and this is our school. Then try this. In some school, 2-3 students in each classroom take turns to mow the garbage in the classroom after school in a year. They keep the classroom and thus the children get used to voluntary work. Means they have kept one a leader to see whether they are keeping the class clean or not that. They feel affection of the school and the class. Does your school have such an arrangement? If not, prepare a monthly timetable for cleaning your teachers, your classroom, include for all your classmates in this task. A certificate, routine club or shield can be given for a clean classroom. However, in our class, there is a class, no, we are seeing where all children are participating in the activities or speech in any competition, in every competitions, and your class are clean or not. We are saying that and we are giving a ideal class. So, in the same way, they have kept one leader to see whether they are doing this activities are very well, means to give the which class will be a first. Then, why there is a crowd and some hullabaloo near the water tank? What rules should be followed while using the school facilities? Whereas can we use the rules of school discipline? Means whenever you are coming in the school, you have to follow the discipline, students. So whenever your mother also give you a discipline to how to behave, so you have to listen to everybody. So we all like schools, and school has facilities like library, playground, computer, lab, which all we use. Everyone should be able to use these facilities. We should follow certain rules while using these facilities. We should wait in a quicks. Book borrowed from the library should be returned on time. Means what? Whenever you are taking the book from the library, म्हणजे काय book वाचायला तुम्ही घेतात, वाचून झाल्यावर वेळेत त्या वेळेतच तुम्ही ते बुक परत द्यायला पाहिजे. कारण जर ते परत तुम्ही बुक दिलं नाही तर तुम्हाला वेळेत ते दुसरं बुक मिळेल का? So you have to follow. Then we should not tear or damage the pages of the books. If you are taking one the books, you should open the pages very nicely. Don't tear or don't turn it. We must keep the wall and benches in the classroom clean. You should keep your wall and benches very clean. You should not write anything on the bench. We must return the sport equipment to its proper place after using it. Means whenever your teacher is taking you to play on the ground, what you have to do? Whatever you are taking the instrument, means for example you are taking a badminton ball, from where you have taken, after you are playing, फिनिशिंग ऑफ प्लेइंग, तुम्ही काय करायचं, जे तुम्ही वस्तू कुठनं घेतली तिथं जाऊन ती परत ती वस्तू तसंच ठेवायची. म्हणजे कसं परतच्या वेळी तुम्हाला परत वापरायला मिळेल. जर ती वस्तू जर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही ठेवलं नाही तर तुम्हाला ती वस्तू परत मिळेल का? जी वस्तू आपण उचलून घेतोय आपण खेळायला, त्या जेव्हा आपण खेळून झाल्यावर आपली ती वस्तू परत त्या जागेवर आपण ठेवायचं. कॅन यू टेल why do the friend quarrel and what will you do resolve a quarrel peacefully? How will you behave with a person who had quarrel with after the quarrel had ended? Will you take the help of the teacher to resolve the quarrel? Quarrel may arise between the friends, but they should be resolved amicably. Every person who is quarreling should get a chance to present their sides. Quarrel should not lead to physical fights. The teacher should be asked to help if the quarrel cannot be resolved. Resolving quarrel peacefully is a good way to end them. If it teaches to solve problem, community in life can live. If issues the community life are resolved peacefully, and many of the problems will be solved. Quarrel means two students are fighting to each other, but if they came and if they told us that because of why they are fighting to each other, if they told we can solve this problem very peacefully. Are there any children in your area who do not attend the school? म्हणजे असं का आदळ काय म्हणजे as there is any children in your area who did not attend to the school library, why do they not to go to school? Each child must get the opportunity to attend the school, and school is for everyone. At school we realize that we are a part of a society. It is a part of a society. Do you know there is a bond of employing children below the age of 14 years in factories, mines and in other hazard occupations. In 2006, the right against explanation was expanded to include the child labor. It made all kinds of child labor illegal. So, what we have learned, personal and public hygiene help to keep us healthy. We all like school. Issues arising in community life should be resolved amicably. Each child must have the opportunity to attend the school. Student, you have to read this lesson 2 times. And look the student here. You have to do the revise all the EVS because EVS is very vast portion and you have to study always. You should not keep aside. You have to study, and on Sunday there will be a EVS online test paper. So chapter number 4. So you have to read that lesson, student. Read the lesson, then only you will answer. Then only you will know to write the answer. Okay. Thank you.